Grand Central Watch is an iconic business located in the heart of Manhattan in Grand Central Terminal. It was started by my grandfather, Max Cavell, in 1952. 7 decades later, we still operate the retail business in the same location. Today, we are one of the largest service centers in the country. We specialize in the art of watch repair. In our workshop, we can service almost any watch, from a 200-year-old pocket watch to a modern-day complicated tourbillon. We are a state-of-the-art service center that has 8 watchmakers and an in-house polisher. We can do everything from a simple battery change to a complete service on your timepiece. We service not only 3 generations of our customers, but today we do service for some of the largest watch companies in the world. There really is only one way to service a watch, and that is the right way. We find in the industry today that many people do not take this practice when it comes to watch service. They are serviced in shops that shouldn't touch watches. Our watch shop is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment that can help complete every repair. Watchmaking is not about a guy sitting in the back of a shoe shine place that can change the battery in your watch. You should make sure that whoever is going to handle your watch, that it is done the right way. At Grand Central Watch, all we have been doing the last 70 years is servicing watches. It's a 3rd-generation business with some of the most gifted Swiss-trained watchmakers in the world. So whether it's a simple battery change or you want to have a family heirloom repaired, Grand Central Watch is here to help with all of your watch needs.